even if Finnifty opens the same. It is opening in our range only. The best part about this is yesterday there was a very big spike. Yesterday there was very big spike towards the end. So what happened was, you can see here, we'll go for in all the three indices, in fact, Nifty, Bank, and Finnifty also. So you can see Finnifty jumped from 98 to 108. So whatever profit we have right now, it's including that spike. So we'll definitely open at around 75, 80 rupees premium. So let's see. We are at very high quantity. Okay, we are 1800 and 1200 at 19,200 straddle. So even 20-25 points gain will give us, will cross around 270, 280 here. You can always track news channels. You don't have to listen to them, but you can always watch them for any breaking news or any updates.
Global data is looking positive, not today futures.
Yeah, global future is also negative today. Okay, so here 19,300 will give us loss. Okay, 19,250 might give us profit. 19,200 will also give us profit. But then one best thing is we have 1950 as our put side hedge, so that will gain something.
This is the one you took yesterday, right? 1950, or it was
1950 I had yesterday. I took 19,200 short straddle.
200,
You
no?
can see the the 1200 quantity ones are the trades I took yesterday.
Okay.
We have around 2 lakhs of margin left. Market yesterday that they took 19,150 straddle when Finnifty was at 19,300. They would gain a very good profit. So that's how your views sometimes helps you a lot. Because what will happen is 19,300 call won't have any value left. This 19,300 call, this one, which is at 54 right now, it will go to 5-6 rupees. So we won't get any DK benefit from there. So we may either exit 19,300 and take 19,200 or something like that, which is at the center.
Oh boy.
Okay, it's a perfect opening for us.
Perfect.
Okay. As I told you, after the gap down, it will recover. Okay, so it's very much in our range. We have nothing to worry. Let's see at 19,250 straddle. 19,250 straddle is at 78, 79. Okay. Exact decay I said, right? We will open around 80, 81, 82 rupees. It's opening at the exact level. Perfect opening. So here we don't need to make any adjustment because Finnifty is in our range itself. Okay.
Yeah.
Now all we have to do is we have to keep tracking Nifty and Bank Nifty. We have to see whether it's strong or whether they are weak, and how is our heavyweights. Okay, heavyweights have all opened in negative only. Okay, you can see the strength in some of the banks. Okay, so it will take us a little while to understand if Bank Nifty or Nifty which is stronger than the other one. Okay, so I will be buying this, but then a little more decay, and then I might buy them. So what happens is when I'll buy 19,100, it will also hedge me on the downside, right? Because we are already at 19,200. So even if a 50-60 point fall comes, this hedges will gain, and that will give me a good hedge over the fall. But then still 3 rupees is quite high because I'll be taking huge quantities. So I'll wait for it to come around 2.5 or 2 rupees or something. See, market opened below our range. Okay, that's it panics some of the people, right? So even I was worried because it was going below my range. But the point is, you have to stay patient with your trade. You have to understand a bigger picture here. We don't have to think it from a 10 minutes perspective. Okay, if it was such a short-minded view, I would have adjusted from my 19300 straddle long back. I'm holding 19300 short straddle from Thursday. You can see the profit here. It's to like 38,000 from one
Yeah.
straddle itself.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the conviction that you hold that trade with. 23 point is also good. If I'll reach around 3 lakhs 30, 3 lakh 40 something, I might reduce the quantity so that we can relax after that. This week is gonna be very volatile because we have Gujarat election coming up. Tomorrow again we have RBI event coming up. So all these decisions will make market very volatile. So calendar spread will be good. So that's why I am tracking all the premiums today. So by the end of the day, I will see if Nifty has better premium or Bank Nifty has a better premium, and accordingly we will enter into that calendar spread.
Puneeth, when you say one index is weaker than other, do you analyze that based on the movement
Yeah,
after
based
the
on the
opening?
movement, based on the movements.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. You don't go into the open interest and other details?
No.
No. Okay.
The open
That is
interest makes
part
it
right.
very complicated because they have equal kind of buying and selling both. Open interest doesn't give you an idea about which is weak and which is strong. So it shows you at what strike you can concentrate. So I consider OI when I want to see if a certain strike has a good resistance or a support.
Okay.
So if I go to open interest, here I would know 18700 has a good resistance on the upside. Okay, at the same time I will see the change in open interest. So what do we see here is people are shorting even 18600. Okay, so after the fall also people are shorting 18600, and Nifty is already around 18600. So this shows that people are bearish on the market today. So Nifty is getting weaker. What I'll do is I'll try to reduce my quantity in 19300 straddle.
When it
Yeah,
opens
so
in
profit
red,
is big, right? So it's around 3 lakhs. So you always have that jitteriness in your mind. What if you lose that profit out of it? So it's very important to safeguard that profit at the same time.
yeah.
So that's why I exited out of 1000 quantities from my 19300 short straddle. So at least it won't give me wild MTM swings. We have around 5 lakh margin left. We can take a small quantity of 19150 also, but a shoot on the upside will give us a loss from that straddle. So I will wait for a while. So when people are shorting this, so let's imagine all of us are shorting this position. Now suddenly when Nifty moves 50 points, what happens is everyone starts covering this, right? It will give us profit within 10-15 minutes. So we will all cover up, we will all close, we will all exit out of it. So it will again trigger Nifty to go up. So this thing is very dicey. So this is how you have to understand. As long as it's not crossing this level and sustaining above this, we are completely safe.
Like you mean the red line or the green line?
No, the red line, green line doesn't make any. It doesn't make any difference. The point is, green line is the call side, and the red line is the put side. Okay, and this shows the amount. So there are more call writers as compared to put writers at 18600. You're getting my point. See, this is overall.
Yes.
This is overall. since the beginning of the week, since the beginning of the month, people are started to build their position since long. Okay, this is today. Today, how many people shorted this? Today, how many people shorted put or call or everything? So people took this trades at 9:15, 9:16 since market opened. Okay, so that's why 19600 will act as a resistance for a Nifty. Okay, but now what happens is, as Nifty is going up now, you can see that. Okay, so it will scare all the option writers. Okay, so what they will do is they will exit out of it. Okay, so they will start exiting small by small. So what happens is it will trigger Nifty to go even more up side. Okay, so that's how it works. So did you understand when I exited 100 lots, 1,000 lots for not 1,000 lots, the 1,000 quantity for Fin Nifty? What was the idea behind it? So the idea was to balance it. Okay, a sudden fall would give me a big loss for carrying 1,800 quantity of put 19,300 put. Okay, so I exited 1,000 out of it. Okay, now what happens is this is intrinsic value, right? Because 19,300 becomes in the money. Yeah, so that's why I exited that. So what happens is now, even if for Fin Nifty to come to 19,300, it has to go through 19,250. So until then, my 19,250 straddle gets benefited. Okay, so that was my idea. Okay, take straddles like I did, right? So I have 19,200, 250, and 300. So in this scenario, what happens is, even if your view goes wrong, you get a bigger range to play on. Okay, so you don't get that pressure always to be right. Okay. So always take a range. You always you always have that margin left. So rather than putting all the quantity in one strike, it's better to get it divided in a bigger range.
And accordingly, hedge every straddle, right?
Yeah, hedging shouldn't be changing. As look at my hedging, they are where they were before. Yeah, so it won't. Your hedges should always be at the same place. You should move your hedges. Now, if I get a better premium, because see the 70 point premium, you can see at 19,250 we have around 70, 71 only. So 71 premium is not very lucrative or attractive for me to enter into short straddles. Okay, so that's why I'm not buying any closer hedges. See, the closer hedges have lost money, right? From 3.5 to 2. Yeah. So I'm waiting for this to come at around 2. And if by that time even straddles are still at 70, then it becomes lucrative for me. Okay, you're getting my idea. For me to enter into short straddle, I need a spike. But 70 points is not that attractive for a short straddle for me. So I will wait for it. That's it. So it's very much in the range itself as we wanted. Nothing to worry. Straddle is around 70. So I will adjust my 19,300 now if Finnifty falls below 19,200 level. Okay, mostly I might bring my half quantity at 19,200 and half quantity in 19,250. So this is just a balancing. I don't have any view for today also. It seems very sideways from here on. So what I'll do is I'll balance my trade. I will bring it to 19,200 and 19,250. So I have this range of 50 points wherein I want to play. So we exited out of this 19,300 put, which is we exited at 86. Now it's around 67. So 20 points. So 20,000 we missed. Otherwise, this would have been like around 3,15,000. But then this is how your decisions will be. You don't have to go back to it. You don't have to sulk that why did I exit out of it or something like that. Okay, that's a decision you did at that particular time when you felt market might fall. Okay. Again coming back to the center. If this crosses 19,250, then I'll again enter into that trade. I'll again take that 19,300 put.
Okay.
Because it will balance then again. See, because today I don't have a view, I have to go according to what market shows me. Simple.
Recording in progress.
Wow, sir, your profit. It's flying. Oh my God.
In fact, I have reduced the quantities. If you can see, earlier we had 1800, 1800 and 1200 quantities.
Wow, sir, your profit. It's flying. Oh my God.
In fact, I have reduced the quantities. If you can see, earlier we had 1800, 1800 and 1200 quantities. So currently we are sitting at only 320. It's not very high. It's very small.
Yeah. So basically, you have booked how much profit already? If you have.
Okay, I can't say like that, but then I've booked in the quantity wise. So total I had around 4,800 quantity overnight, but currently I'm holding only 1,000 quantities. That's it.
Oh.
So at ATM straddle, we have around 42 points left now. You see this 42 points for last 1.5 hours. We have this 42 points of decay. So let's see. It's still in the range itself that we had, and so I updated on Telegram. So we have this 19,150 straddle, 19,200 and 19,250 straddle. So we have this range of 100 points in Finnifty that we are holding this straddle. Okay, and then we took a Bank Nifty calendar spread. This is 43,000 calendar spread that we took for Bank Nifty. So if we are getting any kind of premium spike, then we will be benefiting in our calendar spread. I will be carrying this overnight Bank Nifty trade. And I still have around 18 lakhs of margin left. So I will see whenever there's a spike in Nifty or Bank Nifty, I will enter into it. No more trades in Fin Nifty. I'm pretty okay with the 320 quantity that I have right now. So the point is this PNL MTM, it puts a pressure always on you. So this is like the highest till now in a particular day. We had 156 from overnight. So considering that, we made around 1,80,000 today. So, but still this figure is pretty big for me. So it always puts a added pressure. So that's why I'm trading in a lesser quantity today. As I said in the morning, it will be a sideways market. It was a bearish market, and then we already had a very good fall. So we can also see buy on dips. So this was one of the reason why my mind was stuck with the sideways market. So that's why I didn't adjust much. But it seemed little weak in this around noon time. That was when I shifted my 19,300 full straddle into 19,150 straddle. For one straddle, we require around 1,30,000.
Yeah.
And for if you're doing straddle in 2 strikes, then it might go around 2,10,000.
So if we hedge it, then
yes, then it will be reduced.
Yeah. So we can trade under 2 lakhs if we hedge it properly.
Oh yes, we can do iron fly. No? Iron fly takes only 50,000.
Yeah.
Like
this one is under strategies or charts?
Strategies.
Okay.
Okay, this is the beta version. It's ATM straddle chart beta version. Okay. Okay. So this is the mark. This is 300.
Okay.
So if you see the 15 December Nifty hasn't decayed at all.
905 was yesterday's closing price and still at 300.
Correct.
Okay, so this is the benefit if you have a calendar spread. Okay, so that's one of the reason I bought calendar spread here. This is 43,000 calendar spread for Bank Nifty, wherein I have sold 15 December straddle and I have bought 50. I have sold 8 December straddle and I have bought 15 December straddle.
Okay.
Okay.
So you took this trade considering bullish or bearish?
Bearish.
Bearish, no?
Yes.
Because the premium is way too high right now. That's why.
Yes, I'm carrying 43,000. So we will go and check the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is trading around 43,132. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where my calendar is. Okay. So I will be maximum benefit will be when Bank Nifty will trade around this range.
Okay.
But then this is positional trade. So even if market goes up today, I won't be adjusting it. My view is till tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow second half, till second half, and then I might do any adjustment, because tomorrow we'll be having RBI event output. So at that point, I feel there can be increase in VIX. So if VIX will rise, my trade will be benefited from that. I haven't entered anything. I still have around 18 margin left. I will enter it later.
Nifty or Bank Nifty?
Again, depends. I am still figuring it out. So both are going hand in hand. There's not much difference. So if there's any little spike that I get, then I will enter it. Otherwise, I'll take either of the trade by after 325. So I'm still waiting for any difference or any spike, anything. So this is the spike that I'm waiting for. But it is continuously decaying. So if this 160 goes to 170 or 172, then suddenly I will take the trade in Nifty.
Oh, okay.
The same thing in bank also. It is continuously decaying since morning. Okay, so whenever this 433 or goes to 450 or something like that, then I'll enter the trade. That's why I kept the extra margin.
This is the one. I used to try this thing every on this app. Always made losses only.
What you used to do?
I tried using the app a lot of times, but I could not understand how to make adjustments and stuff. So I was only making losses.
See, adjusting is very important. Taking strategy doesn't take much of the effort. Okay, but adjusting is what makes all the difference. So be passionate about trading. That's more important. So when you're passionate about something, you put your full attention, you try to figure out things. So your passion should not be money, but it should be about trading. So that's the basic difference between the normal trader and the pros who do earn good money.
Sir, can you explain that 150 again once more, please?
Okay, see, Finnifty is at 19,250. So as I told you, ATM always has the highest time value. 19,230 is near to 19,250 straddle.
Yeah.
Okay, so this has highest time value, and next to it is 19,200. 19,150 goes in the money. So when you go in the money, your delta value increases, right? Your time value reduces and your delta value increases.
Yeah.
Yes. So 19,150 has, see, you can just add this 88 to 150, which goes to around 238. So we are around 232. So 6 rupees is the only time value left in this. Like that. Now, last half an hour always becomes very dicey during expiry. So you should always be ready for it. There's very sharp movements everywhere. So always keep an eye. So in short, if you can see, my Finnifty trades are triple only now. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So currently I'm holding 150, 200 and 250 and Finnifty is trading around 19,200. So this is my triple only. Because it's expiry, even I don't know exactly where it will make a movement. So this is always best. Okay, now it's 3 o'clock. The averaging will start. So how averaging will work is we have this 222. So this gets noted there. So accordingly, the average comes. What we can do is we can move the 19150 straddle up, because this doesn't have any value right now. Okay, any more doubts? Okay, keep an eye on the averaging. If there's anything, just you can text me. I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye, sir.